Repeat after me. I am a financially free crypto investor that is no longer a prisoner of the clock. Guys, these are the type of things we have to get in the habit of saying to ourselves every single day. We need to put that energy out in the universe so that the things that you say are the things that come back to you. No longer should we sit around saying things like, I'm tired of being broke, and I'm sick and tired of not having extra money. I'm sick and tired of having to get up and go to a job I don't like. Those are the type of things that you say. When you say those type of things, you get more of it. So you need to start saying these positive affirmations every single day and watch how your life turn around. Everybody, guys, welcome back to Grow Rich, Grow Happy, the place where we follow those breadcrumbs to wealth. Guys, time, the sands of time are starting to get thin when it comes to cryptocurrency, and I mean that in a good way. What am I talking about? What am I talking about? What I am talking about is digital assets are now really, they've been pouring in uh, for a while now, but they're really starting to ramp up. Unless you live under a rock, you know that President Biden has chosen to step down out the presidential race, and that sent crypto soaring. Everyone knows why, because Donald Trump is pro crypto. Therefore, uh, people look at that as a win for crypto and pretty much see it as him winning in a landslide, regardless what happens. Again, this is not a political um, video, just stating the facts, the obvious. But what does all this have to do with Aerodrome Finance? It has a lot to do with Aerodrome Finance, and I'm about to show you right now. Now, if this is the type of video you guys like. Also, I want to thank all the new subscribers. I truly am grateful for all of you guys, all of you out there, all of your support on this channel, and for many, many years to come. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you always hit that like button and give me a sub if this is your first time here. Wonderful community. I can't say enough about them. And hit that bell notification so that you don't miss a video. There's a lot of offers down below. As you can see also on the banner, that is my Twitter handle on the end. I'm always dropping a whole bunch of stuff over there. It's always probably going to be there before I get to YouTube it. So a lot of times when I post stuff, that might give you an inkling of what I'm talking about, and it'll get you off into some crypto gains before I even, you know, make a video. Anyway, let's jump over here and see what's going on this morning. All right, guys, I'm happy to be with you guys. Look at this. Look at this. And I'm start off with this. Then I'm get the Aerodrome Finance and show you a few things, as well as just a bare minimum, bare bones price prediction on that. But right now, I want to show you something right here. I'm checking out my morning news. This was just posted. It says digital assets products see 1.35 billion in inflows, extending a 3-week run to 3.2 billion. All of this looks good for crypto, guys. This is what's going on. This is why it's important to check your crypto, because I'm sure you guys seen over the weekend, crypto was going crazy. Portfolios was swelling like they had got stung by a bumblebee. Everything was looking good. Look at this. Digital asset investment products saw a substantial inflow, 1.35 billion, bringing the total inflows over the past 3 weeks to an impressive 3.2 billion. And this is why Bitcoin is going up. This is the type of money it takes, guys, for to move that needle with Bitcoin. Bitcoin remained a popular choice of investors, attracting 1.27 billion in inflows. All of that's great news. I'm not going to read the whole article, but I am going to jump around in it because I've read the article and I've seen some great things here. And they say Ethereum's also attracting it's going up as well because the Ethereum ETF is rumored to be coming out on probably today. I think it's today. They was talking about it, maybe today. Anyway, let's scroll down a little bit because I want you guys to see something. I want you guys to check this out. Now, let me go up a little bit. Okay. All right. Okay. Here we go. It is here because I wanted to look at the other ones as well. They say likewise, Ethereum shows signs of a positive turnaround with an additional 45 million in inflows last week. This surpasses Solana as the altcoin with the highest year-to-date inflows, which currently stands at 103 million. Solana also experienced inflows amounting to 9.6 million last week, but its year-to-date inflows of 71 million now lag behind Ethereum. That's expected considering what's going on with Ethereum becoming a ETF here in the days to come. But I could see Solana overtaking that once it becomes one, and I truly believe they're going to do that. Where we at down here? Because they was talking about, and if I can't find it, I just summarize. They were talking about with all the new positive news, Bitcoin. They could see Bitcoin hitting $85,000 per token by the end of this year. So that was that's definitely bullish news, and all of this happening again. As you notice, they say. Bitcoin, if you notice, they say Bitcoin is leading the pack still. Of course it is. It's the big daddy. So now I'm going to show you what I really want to show you is what this is going to do for Aerodrome Finance. And because everything is related. Everything is related. Excuse me. Had to have my morning coffee. But what this means for Aerodrome Finance is this. Let's pop over here. Okay. Aerodrome Finance is currently trading at 91 cents, which I still think is good. You know, remember, you got to zoom out. Look at this 7-day. It's pretty much moving sideways right now, which is great because it's touching that dollar mark. It's touching that dollar mark. I know a lot of people that have commented in my last Aerodrome Finance video was talking about how a number of people have exited the position. Guys, do not let just so what the other people has exited the position. If you do your research, that'll keep you that'll make you either exit the position if you deem that, okay, this position is no longer for me. Or, again, like I told you, if nothing has changed, you got a little patience on your hands, and you're still bullish on this project, you have to go back to what made you bullish. With Aerodrome Finance, it's a number of things, but one of the top things is they're the market maker for the base network, which is up and coming, huge. And you saw all those inflows that we was just reading in that article. How much of that now, as we continue, how much of that money do you think is going to flow over to the base network? Tons of it, which is going to make Aerodrome Finance just as hot. So you look at this sideways action now, and you go back here. You got to remember, this is where that big dip hit. We're finally finding our ground again. I could fully see us going back to that $2 mark, reaching that $2 mark. But overall, when I look over here on Dex Tools, we got a 144 million market cap, which still puts us really down in the million market cap. But you got to understand, as all of this money continue to flow into the market, tons of money, especially with Biden stepping down, Trump continuing to embrace Bitcoin and embrace the cryptocurrency market. And for what I'm hearing is now a lot of people are pressing Vice President Kamala Harris to embrace crypto. So now people are pressing her, kind of like giving her an ultimatum. You either embrace crypto or you guys are just done. So it seems to me like crypto is the deciding factor here in this in this presidential election. And with that being said, you look over here and you say 144 million market cap. Those of you who've not been in a bull run don't know how fast something could jump to a billion, 2 billion, 3 billion when it comes to market cap. Right now we got a measly $4 million and 24-hour volume, but you got to understand we're back near that dollar range. I clearly can see these guys jumping to a billion. For them to jump to a billion market cap is going to put us at a $2 price target. So that's how I want you guys to see how easy that was. We was already at $2.33 as a high. If we get back, which we will, a billion market cap is nothing for a crypto project during the bull cycle. It is nothing, especially when you hit altcoin season. Now, what we want is the higher mark, especially those of you who got in around levels like this, or you got in at the $2 mark. Well, for them, look how fast we got to that 1 billion market cap last time. I clearly see at a very conservative price of us hitting $10, we're going to be looking at like a 10x, 11x, and that's 5 billion. That's just 5 billion. That's just a 5 billion market cap, which is nothing, guys. And how you have to look at this, I want to jump back over here. Here's the thing. 5 billion is nothing when you look at how fast. All you need is a narrative. And when it comes to altcoin season, that's narrative enough. And it's going to push more money into the Brets and to all the different tokens that's on the base network. A lot of people are going to become bullish on Aerodrome Finance. Again, it's a lot of people that are bullish on them. You got to look at the fact of how fast it moved from that 40 cent and it jumped right back up to the dollar range. People have not lost confidence in this token. I haven't lost confidence in this token, and I fully see at the very least us heading up to that $10 mark with no problems at all. But you have to look at the outside things going on. Remember, it ain't all about so much with the project. You can look at the project and you can see what's going on. Nothing will change with the project, but the outside scenarios around it with the entire crypto market will be enough to boost this this token to the top. There will be no problem. And again, for those of you that keep saying that, yeah, they got terrible tokenomics, that may be true. That may be true. But again, look how fast it rose to $2. It doesn't matter as long as you have this liquidity coming in, all of this volume. If you have these investors pouring their money in, it's going to drive past all of that. And again, if you've never been through a bull cycle, I'm talking gibberish to you. All I can see is just wait around and watch. Those of you that are been waiting on this token, you're about to get your chance. But those of you been sitting on the side, you know what I told you. You don't have much time. The sands of times are really, really running out. And all you got to do is just look at the breadcrumbs that's going on around everything that's happening right now with the president stepping down and people calling for Kamala Harris to embrace crypto. That shows you right now is the time. So with that said, guys, remember, this crypto market, it's not a race, it's a marathon. I'm out.